Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have the biggest Shein haul ever done in my life. It's ridiculous. I think it was £180, but I'm pretty sure quite a lot of it is going to go back. It was for me and the kids. I got stuff for all the kids and me, mostly me, but some for the kids. Obviously there's going to be cats in this video. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it where I will show you everything, and I'll show you one thing and then I'll try it on really quick and then we'll show you the next thing. So we'll try and do it as outfits, and I'll tell you what sizes I got and how much I've paid for everything. I've done it on Klarna, so it's 3 payments. But yeah, I have just unpacked it from the bags because it came in 3 separate bags, and I've just put it into the kids pile and then me. So I'll show you the kids stuff first because obviously I'm not going to try the kids stuff on because that would be weird. The kids are 2, 6 and 7. I'm 38. I normally go for the Shein curve and I get the 0XL, which is like a 16, but I will tell you as I do it for what one. So yeah, this is for my eldest, who is 7, and it's just a little beach cover up. I thought that was so cute. That's a really nice soft cottony. Oh, I wish I could have one of these. It's really lovely. That was really nice. I will put the prices on the screen for how much I paid for the kids things. That was for my eldest, 120. So this one is for my middle one. I let them pick what they want. Oh my god, that's cute. She picked a cozy with little ruffly sleeves and rainbows and a kitty cat face. Where's the bags? I don't know where I've just put that one. This is for the 6-year-old as well. This is a little t-shirt that says "Just a girl who loves cows," because she does love cows. That's really cute. This is for the eldest. These are 2 pairs of shorts, I think. Oh, they're nice and soft. Oh, they're snazzy. She's going to love these. There's a little black pair of cycling shorts, and then there's a camo pair of pink and grey cycling shorts. There is now 3 cats involved in this video. Hi, Gary. The other 2 are being good. Gary just has to get involved in everything. This is for the 6-year-old. Let me put them on the right piles. I think this is a little pair of leggings with bunnies on. Oh my god, they're so tall. They're going to be far too big for the 6-year-old. But they've got really cute little bunnies on the bottom. She asked for those. I will get her to try them on. If they aren't massive, I'll just keep them for her as she grows. But those are really cute. This is for Fox, who is 2. I got him 2 cozies. If I can get into it. So much plastic. Gary, don't put your head in a bag. This is a little 2-piece for Foxy, because we're going to Mallorca in a month with a little shark. And then little shark shorts. Cute! Foxy man. This is another one for Fox. This has got baby shark on it because he loves baby shark. And it's an all-in-one. Oh, that's cute as well. I love that. That's so cute. Gary, don't play with the bags. This is for Aria, who is 6. This is a little cover-up. I don't like the material of this one as much as Mika's one. That's very cute. A little wraparound beachy cover-up, but the material is not like Mika's one. Where's it gone? That one's like cotton, whereas this one is like the sort of see-through meshy material. Not as nice, but she'll still like it. And then I think this is a cozy for Mika. She is 7. Oh, this is a fancy pants. She picked one with like the silver lurex straps. Oh, it's got little boobies in it. I don't like that. They're coming right out. She's 7. She's not having booby pads in a bloody cozy. It's got a little palm trees on it. It says beach, sunny, sand and like. That makes no sense. But it's cute. She'll like that. So that was the kids part. One of the cats is down there now eating the booby pads. So that was the kids part. I'm just going to clear up all these bags and then we'll get on to stuff that I got. Right. My first one, what Gary's doing. What is this? Oh, I didn't need this at all, but I just thought it was really cute. I'll probably never wear it. I'm going to try it on in a minute and show you. I need a t-shirt. It's like shorts, but then it's got a like a pinafore thingy. I just thought that was really cute. I got that in a 0XL. I've got a t-shirt somewhere I can try that on with to show you. Where's the t-shirt? I bought some t-shirts. There's a t-shirt. This is another 0XL, and this is a Planet t-shirt I thought was cute. So I will put this on with this. I am going to have to ask that you excuse the fact that I fake tanned the other day for the first time ever. I'm orange and streaky. I did do my face as well, but my face is faded. But my face wasn't too bad, but I am very orange. Very patchy. So let's just pretend we didn't see that, okay? I'm trying to find an area of my bedroom that's long enough to film. I really like the t-shirt. I wouldn't wear these with a black t-shirt. I'd wear like a white t-shirt underneath it, and I would put on some Spanksy kind of thing, but I like them. Just ignore how orange my legs are. So yeah, I like that. That's cute. We'll be keeping these. Definitely be keeping these ones. So next I've got, so this is a pair of, this is just a pair of shorts. Let's say sport, and I'm going to do any sport, but they're like leopard print. So I will put these on just with this t-shirt, and we'll see what they look like. I think this might be a better place. The shorts are really nice. I'd love to wear them out, but I've had 3 C-sections and I'm a fat shit. I wouldn't ever dare wear them up like that, but I love like the crop tops on people, but just on me, I'm just too scared. But these are so soft. I very much like these shorts. Okay, the next thing, I'm not even going to bother trying it on. I immediately know I hate it. The material is horrible. It's like a little romper, and it's got like shorts. I hate the pattern. I don't know what I was thinking with this one. I hate the pattern. It's super see-through, like mega see-through, and it's just really horrible. No, that's immediately going back. That's a hard no. No, thank you. Some of this stuff is swimwear, which I will not be trying on YouTube because I've not got the confidence to do that. Oh, we're moving. So I got a cosy. I got a couple of cozies actually. This is a little bikini, high waist. Where's the vagina there? High waist bikini with bum coverage. So many. I'm literally just go straight up your asshole, and I'm like, nobody wants to see my asshole. And then a little top and a skirt, which was cute. So that's really nice. I will try that on and let you know what I think. Yep, I'm keeping the bikini. It's really nice. I like that. I'd still wear like a beachy cover up over the top, I think, but when I have a tan, I feel better about myself, so I'm more likely to show more bod, which is why I tried to take fake tan and it just didn't go wrong. If anyone has any tips for fake tan, I'd appreciate it. And the one I used was the Revolution self-tanning one, water aqua tanning. I don't know, I'll put a picture of it here or I'll link it. And it has done a nice colour, but it's just so patchy, and like you can see what colour I actually am underneath. Look, that's what colour I actually am. So it is, and this was the medium one. This was the lightest one I could find. But I need something that had a guide colour on it, and this didn't have a guide colour. So if anyone can leave me any sort of recommendations, that would be amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the bikini. Yes, yes, yes. This looks very floral. I feel like I would order floral things. What are you? This is another jumpsuit with tie straps. Let me put this on and then we'll come back. I was sceptical on this one, but I like it, it's cute. Really cute. It's a bit annoying, the ties, because like you literally just come undone, so you have to like tie them over your own shoulder, which is a bit of a faff, but yeah, it's not the nicest material in the world. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it or not. I feel like it makes me look really massive on the boobs, which I'm not in the slightest, so I don't know, we'll see, possibly. Can't be bothered to sit down and move the camera again. I've got another romper. I have got one of these already. It's got a little tie. I've got one of these rompers already, but in a different colour, and it's a different material than the one that I've got. But it's a little white vest and then shorts. The one I've got is black, black shorts and a green top, and I wore it to my stepdad's funeral with really dark tights and a cardigan, and it was really nice. So let me try this on. I'm not sure about this one. Obviously I'm not wearing the right bra, but I don't know. I feel like I'm a bit gunty in this one. I'm not the biggest fan. I don't know. Again, it's another possibility, but it's very see-through, like very see-through. So we'll see. It's got a pair of black shorts next. They are not the nicest material. Let me see if I can find a t-shirt. Right, I've got a t-shirt here to try them on with. Is it a t-shirt? Yeah. With the moon. Let me try this on with the shorts. T-shirt's nice. I always like their t-shirts. The shorts are better than I expected. They're not see-through, which is nice. They're just a bit of a weird, they feel a bit weird. Yeah, they're not see-through in the slightest. Like, I have to pull them really, really far to be able to see my tattoos, and that's kind of how I judge how see-through things are for your bum. I think they were like £4, so I'll probably keep these, even if it's just to wear them around the house. So let's see what's next. Oh, this is another bikini. Bikini or a Cardigan bikini. This one's got, oh, this is a high waist, more full coverage. There's a vagine there with stars. So it's a more high waist one, and then a black top, and it's got like a crisscross at the front, which looks pretty. So I will try that now and tell you what it's like. No, the bra on that was just horrendous. The cups are moulded and they were just really horrible shape. I didn't like them at all. So I'm trying not to flash and get demonetised. Next up we've got, oh my god, this feels really nice. Oh, I hope this is lovely. It's a romper. I'm going to put this on. I absolutely love this. It's so soft and so nice. Obviously I'd wear a different bra and not like a massive t-shirt bra underneath it. But that's really lovely. I wish it had pockets, but that's a really nice, soft, lightweight romper. Wish I'd got more of them. Just found some flip-flops as well. So I think these ended up being like £2.82 or something ridiculous. Just too small, think this is like a beachy cover-up. Get out. I love it. Absolutely love it. That's so nice. Just nice and lightweight and very me. I love that. See what's next. This has got dinosaurs on it. What did I order with dinosaurs on it? Oh, this is another bikini. This is a crop top bikini and then full big old pants. So I'll try this on now and we'll see what it's like. It's really nice. I like this bikini. I've now got a cozy. It's got like a cut out in the middle. And this also has dinosaurs on it. So I'm going to try this one on. That was a hard pass. Now I've got a pair of shorts. I'll put these on. Now I've got a t-shirt. And it says, I came, I saw it, I had anxiety, and I left. So the shorts are just, they've got like the little tassely details. They are a little bit big. Yeah, I like the t-shirt, that's nice. I think I'll probably keep the shorts nice and comfy, relaxed. Gonna get some air up them. Another pair of flip-flops with flory boots on, so like keeping them. And then I've got two more things. I've got a t-shirt which I'm very excited about. It says shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. For me to wear on the school run. This is the same size as this one. Yeah, this one looks like it's going to be big. I bought some fucking flares. Nothing to do with summer. I bought some flares. Oh my god. They're everything I dreamed of. And they are some... I'm going to put these on. I'm too short for the flares, I think. Like my tippy tiptoes. I don't know if you can see how flared they are. I love them. They're so nice that they are pulled up to here because I am so short. I love them. Do I keep them? I don't know. I love them. I don't know. Well, let me sit down. Just sat in one of the bags. Just come down here for a chat. I don't know. I feel like it was kind of okay. Yeah, I'm annoyed about the cozies that they're not very nice. They're not very nice quality and they just don't feel very nice. The kids stuff I love. I'm gonna get them to come up upstairs in a minute and try on. I really don't know about these. Like that jumpsuit fitted really nicely. I don't know. I might put them on and show my friend and show Ben, and I'll decide and see what you guys think. Be completely honest. But you can be honest without being mean. And I don't know about the flares because I love them. They're so pretty, but I am so short. They're just dragging on the floor. I just love flares at the moment. If anyone knows where you can get flares for short people, let me know. I'm 5'2". Yeah, that was the Shein haul. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and I love you, bye.